Abandoned movie POV videos are blowing up on TikTok, YouTube, and Reels, with some creators getting millions of views. The reason they go viral is simple. They're eerie, cinematic, and immersive. The first few seconds immediately grab attention. Viewers keep watching, they rewatch parts of the video, and when that happens, the algorithms push these videos even harder. Another big reason is that these videos are surprisingly easy to produce. You don't need a camera, a filming crew, or real locations. Everything is done with AI. Here's the problem. Almost every tutorial you see online relies on expensive AI tools like Higgsfield, Kling, or OpenArt. The good news, you don't need any of that. You can create the exact same type of videos without spending a single dollar. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete process from start to finish, generating prompts, creating images, turning those images into a video, adding voiceover, and editing everything together using only free AI tools. Let's start by setting up the prompts, because this is what controls the entire look and feel of the video. Open ChatGPT. Click on Apps, then go to GPTs. This will take you to the Explore page. Search for a GPT called Abandoned Movie Scenes. Once you open it, you'll see two options. One is for abandoned movie scenes, and the other is for abandoned movie sets. If you're creating a scene from a movie world, select the first option and start the chat. Now type in the name of a movie. Try to choose one with well-known characters because that familiarity helps with engagement. I'll use Brave as an example. In a few seconds, the GPT will generate 5 detailed prompts. Each one represents a different cinematic angle or moment. Keep this page open because we'll reuse these prompts later when we generate the voiceover. Now that the prompts are ready, it's time to turn them into images. For this, we'll use Nano Banana Pro. I've already created a separate video showing a hidden method to generate unlimited images with Nano Banana Pro for free. I'll leave that link in the description and pin it in the comments. Once you have access, copy one of the prompts from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box inside Nano Banana Pro. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 so it works perfectly for shorts and vertical platforms. Change the resolution to 2K for better image quality. Then change the image format from PNG to JPEG and send the prompt. As you can see, the result already looks cinematic and realistic. This is why Nano Banana Pro works so well for this niche. If you're not happy with the result, just click Rerun. Within seconds, you'll get a new variation. Repeat this process for all the prompts until you have a full set of images. Once the images are done, the next step is turning them into a video. This is where the POV effect really comes to life. Head over to Flow and click on Create with Flow. Open a new project and change the mode from text to video to frame to video. Upload your first image, set the ratio to 9:16 and save it. Then upload the second image. In the description below, I've included an animation prompt. Copy that prompt and paste it into the prompt box in Flow. Make sure the video model is set to VO 3.1 fast. Leave the output set to 1 and then send the prompt. The generation will take a few seconds, so just wait. Once it's finished, check the result. You'll notice smooth movement and a strong POV feel. Download the video and save it. Repeat this exact process for the rest of your images until all clips are ready. Now let's generate the voiceover, which is optional but highly recommended if you want to monetize or tell a story. Go back to ChatGPT and type "generate a short voiceover based on these scenes." ChatGPT will instantly generate a voiceover script that matches the visuals. Copy that script and go to Google AI Studio. Sign in with your Google account, choose Voice, then select Single Speaker Audio. Paste the script, choose a voice you like, and click Run. After a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready to download. Now it's time to bring everything together in the editor. Open CapCut and import all your files. Start by placing the voiceover on the timeline, then add the video clips above it. Add transitions between the clips. The mix transition works really well for this style of video because it keeps the movement smooth. If the voiceover is slightly longer than the video, increase the speed to around 1.1 and adjust the pitch if needed. Trim any silent parts so everything stays aligned. Add text with your channel name, choose a text style with a background, resize it, and place it over the VO watermark. Once everything looks good, export the video. When uploading to TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram, always add a trending sound. That extra audio layer can significantly improve reach.
The story ended, but the figures remained. Heroes frozen in dust, crowns dulled, armor rusted, courage reduced to crocked plastic and torn cloth. A kingdom once alive now sleeps beneath cables and broken lights. No magic left to wake them, only silence, and the beam of a stranger's flashlight, discovering what the world forgot.